Welcome back to another little geeky video today. Yes, I'm a nerd and I won't apologize for it. So, in my last pinball video, I think I talked about that I had ordered some new T10s or bulbs for the back plate here. So I'm going to today replace those because those have arrived. So it's no longer incandescent bulbs, and that should bring down some of the heat in this room a little bit and be kinder to the old machine. So we're going to replace that. I'm going to start to use half of the bulbs and put the back plate back on, and we're going to check what that will look like and make sure we get the right color temperature and it looks right. I'm going to spend a little extra time doing the color correction here, so in my video editing program I can actually color correct so it looks right. So and I might put this in from time to time just to make sure. So that's what we're going to do today, and why not zoom in a bit here. All right, even a little more perhaps. There we go. I keep putting this my Fallout socks up here. I know, I'm an idiot. I just love Fallout, so. And I also won't apologize for that. Okay, so let's start by removing. These are kind of hot. Ouch, 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 ouch. Let's hope that, you know what, let's just start. Oh, this is an incandescent. This should be a blinking. I ordered some new BA9Ss as well, so I hope my camera can focus on this. So yeah, it looks okay. Okay, so from pinballs, you know what? I talked about that I also was going to replace the bookshelf here, and I got something from Ministry. I purchased something from Ministry of Pinball, a replacement for the bookshelves. Yep. So, not going to do that today, but here we go. I mean, unboxing is always great, isn't it? So let's have a look at that briefly before we move on. I think that could be kind of interesting. Otherwise, you are quite welcome to fast forward. Oh, professional grade replacement boards. Pandora box. Oh, you might want to have a look at that. I'm still running a lot of the original electronics here, but they still have the habit of sending you candy. Also very cool. Yeah, so this is always great to get a bit of candy because I'm not purchasing it myself. Yeah, so this is replacement for what is broken in the pinball machine. And did I not order two of those? I thought I ordered two of those. Anyway, for that one I want to replace, and I actually wanted to replace both of them. I goofed. We can do a video on that because there's a different story. There's a little optical sensor behind that gets key pushed back when I hit that target, and that needs to be precise so the machine knows when the ball is coming down, so it can do an automatically flip sometimes and try to adjust itself to hit target over here. Long story. Let's not do that today. There's plenty of things to do with these old machines, and it's kind of a nice thing to have to tinker with, right? So let's have a look at this. This is going to take forever. So thankfully there's also manuals available online for these machines, so when the time comes to replace this, I will start by looking in the manual. Oh yeah, that looks nice actually. Very nice. and the other parts are here. I think, yeah, we'll have a look at that some other day. It looks so crunchy up there now, and it did deteriorate when I tried to replace some of the rubbers, so this is going to be cool. Now let's try to look at what I ordered for today's video. It's in here. Here we go. These are the more important ones. T10s here, wedged based, right? So these are the one we will be replacing today. And I got a few warm whites of these as well. Just, you know, it's always nice to look at different types and compare, right? So, here we go. And just for an extra, to make sure, don't know, I think it's going to be okay if I use using the same color temperature. I had a fixed color temperature set on the camera right now, so it should be fairly okay. Okay. And these are the that looks fine, no flicks. And you can see these, I don't know if you can see that, but those do flicker a bit. 50 hertz of these seems better. So, yeah. I still want to go hunting for the old original incandescent blinkers. I think I should add those too. We'll zoom in extremely close on these at the end, just for fun of it. Let's do that. I really like those. When I was a young boy, I added blinkers to my bicycle by adding a huge battery and something like this. It didn't work that well, but at least I had blinkers on my on my bicycle. Okay, they are definitely not as warm white as the incandescent. I'm kind of now I'm kind of thinking, yeah, I did most definitely order warm white. That this is considered warm white. I would just say, you know, I'm just going to have a look at my phone, just to make sure in the email of my order. So these are T10 No Flex LED warm white super flux. And I am using my computer as a monitor for my camera, and what I'm seeing on my monitor right now looks pretty much like what I'm seeing. Perhaps a little colder than what I'm seeing, but overall you can see the difference between these bulbs and these are white. These are not warm white. These are just not cold white. Actually, a slight cold, but they're not like the IKEA blue, cold blue you see on some of their LEDs. So let's try to get this back on top again and see how it compares with half and half. Okay, so that is the difference. It's not bad. I definitely think it has a less. Let me just put this on in case I need to readjust, but I think it's okay actually. It is definitely less yellowy, not by much. The blue thing you have here is, where does that come from? It comes from, let me stand in the way, right, block the light. So it's good, it's good, it's not bad. Yeah, so a little colder, but not too cold. I don't think anyone would notice. One could argue that maybe the incandescents are too yellowish for today. Now I'll be getting used to more and more cold things. I will have a harder time replacing them on the playfield though. Ouch. These are hot. And these go in my used incandescent bulb bin. These are a little hot. This one, is this a... Okay, so these should be blinking as well, I think. I've tried to look up what kind of LEDs, or not LEDs, lights there are, and it seems to be different from different backboards I see, and I can't seem to get any solid indication of which should be blinking and which shouldn't. So if you have any suggestions, then please do tell me. I missed one here. These connections are, you can see, a little funky in the old ones here, so I could replace them all if I wanted to. Okay, so now I have replaced the rest of them, and as you can see, the one I had here, I think is actually more in the right yellow than the new ones I got. But maybe it's a bit, well, maybe it's more cream colored, I don't know. Let's replace that with one of the new ones. And I'll put the back plate up again, and you can tell me what you think. Was this an upgrade or a downgrade? And if you know anywhere where you can buy, what do you call it, new old stock of these blinkers, then let me know, because that would be really cool. I think that one is the same as that one. So yeah, I do see a bit of flickering on these now, and that might be because it goes into power save mode when it's been idle for a while. I had a problem with the connection to the backup battery, so my settings got reset. I need to disable power save mode when it's in attract mode. They didn't recommend the more expensive one, Superflux Plus, that has a capacitor built in that prevents ghosting and flickering. Those will be good to buy on the playfield, because not up here, but on the playfield they are lit up in an 8x8 matrix that connects, and sometimes you want to light up 2 lights in the matrix but not a 3rd light, for example. So it's complicated, so they toggle them on quickly and use the properties of an incandescent bulb of its latency to turn on and off. But yeah, so right, so that's what it looks like. Let's just bring, I think actually I'll just bring this up here. I need to get the text back. I had my YouTube channel on the screen there. Yeah, not too bad. I should have checked out the power consumption before and after, but hey, we can calculate that. Should be a lot less. Right, final thing, because I am a geek, let's just have a close-up look. I want to see if I can do a really tight close-up look of the blinking bulbs. Could be kind of interesting, I think. Okay, this is as close as it's going to get. It's a little hard to. There we go. I was hoping I could get a shot of the metal in there moving, but I don't think I can actually get it. Yeah, I can't. Well, it was worth a test, I think. So I don't think we can do it so we can see it. No. Anyway, that's all for now. Like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. You know you want to. See you around. Cheers.